that were already open for at least 15 months. It excludes sales growth from new store openings, of which we had quite a number this year as well. The Jollibee Group opened a total of 234 new stores in 2014, 169 of which were opened in the Philippines and 65 in foreign locations. It is with an optimistic outlook that we continue to expand into markets and locations that have been previously untapped. All our businesses in the Philippines and abroad performed remarkably well in 2014. Healthy sales growth across our brands translated to strong profit growth for the company. JFC's net income attributable to equity holders of the parent reached 5.4 billion pesos in 2014. This is 14.8% higher than the amount generated in 2013. Earnings per share also grew by 14% to 5 pesos and 8 centavos. Our Philippine business achieved double-digit growth while all foreign regions, namely the United States, China, the Middle East, and the rest of Southeast Asia, also contributed significant profit to the JFC Group in 2014. In 2014, we invested 5.6 billion pesos in capital expenditures on new stores, store renovations, commissaries, and information systems. In August of 2014, we made the biggest information systems change in JFC's history with the implementation of the SAP system. It now covers 11 modules, including financial accounting, sales, material, warehouse and distribution management, and human capital management. It also interfaces with 8 non-SAP systems, including our store systems. Together, these systems will be able to provide timely and relevant information to our teams so we can be more effective and efficient in serving and delighting our customers. Our investment in this new enterprise platform amounted to at least half a billion pesos. However, we do view this as key investments for our long-term growth and expect the overhead costs associated with this new system to be more than offset by higher rates of business growth in the years ahead. As always, we continue to create value for you, our shareholders. The JFC stock price grew by 24.2% in 2014, outperforming the market. JFC stock price to earnings ratio rose to 43.6 times. We declared a regular cash dividend of 1 peso and 64 centavos, representing a 32.3% payout of profit. For 2014, total shareholder return, the combination of stock price appreciation and cash dividends, was 25.2%. And to put the cherry on top, as they say, based on data from Bloomberg, JFC reached the number 10 slot in terms of market capitalization among publicly listed quick service restaurants in the world in 2014. Quite impressive, isn't it? As we now literally amongst the giants of the fast food industry. On this promising note, let me now say a few words about the current year. In the first quarter of 2015, we delivered a modest 9.5% sales growth and a 10.2% profit growth. In April this year, we indicated that we are assuming a profit growth for 2015 that is lower than our historical rate as rising raw material prices continue to bring pressure to our profit margins. And as we continue to invest heavily in building our capabilities in store network expansion and information technology. Beyond 2015, we look forward to continued double-digit growth in sales and profit, sustaining or even improving on our trajectory in the past 5 years. From the time we became publicly listed company in 1993 to last year 2014, our sales and profit grew at a compounded annual rate of 18% and 17% respectively. Of course, all this would not be possible without the diligent and intelligent work that everyone has put into the company. I would like to thank all our employees, our franchisees, and their teams around the world for their contributions throughout the year and all the many years before. It is with your hard work that we continue to deliver consistently strong results year in and out. Thank you also to my fellow board members for your continued guidance, advice, and contributions, as well as to our business partners, associates, bankers, suppliers, and of course, our shareholders for your continuing support. Without a doubt, as a solid team, we will keep moving JFC toward the future. Now, I would like to share with you a video that highlights the accomplishment of the various brands in 2014. Let us be inspired by our triumphs, so we will continue to push ourselves to achieve more in the years to come.